What's up, what's up? It's my birthday. Out here doing chores. Going through all my shit. Trying to get everything organized because since I moved, I didn't label any of my boxes. That's a rookie move, by the way. And so all my stuff's just been lost. So I'm going through, getting all that done. I'm gonna organize the van. Taking a cookie break. My spot's a mess. Finally got my heater. Light is really bad out here, but I'm super stoked. I shipped it to my old house and not to here, so I had to pay extra money, go through a bunch of loopholes to get it here. But it's here now, so I'm super stoked. Putting in a little work on the van before I take it on a trip. Down here, fucking changing the oil. So begins the journey to Mammoth. I'm all zooted and suited. Chewy's sick. Yeah, he's not feeling very good. Headed out to Lake Tahoe for the night. And then I'm going to Mammoth. Just leaving fucking North Star. Hung out with Miles all fucking night up in Tahoe. Shit. First night, we in this. We out here. We got this little awning. Of course, we got cookie action. Always on deck. We're on our first day in the rental shop here at work. We're on lunch. Cooking up some food real quick. The van's a mess. We were late for our first day. Oops. We out here cooking up some ribs. Really roughnecking it. We're having some family dinner. Cooped up. Cooped. Day number 4 out here. It's our second day off. Did some snowboarding yesterday. Got the heater re-ran and the van all organized. Well, doesn't really look like it right now, but it's organized. I think I'm finally getting to the final iteration of where everything goes in here to keep it all looking nice. Seriously, our plan was to be able to hit the gym to shower and work out, but I haven't been able to work out for almost 2 weeks now because of this 3-week shutdown order, which is all good. It happens. We all gotta live our lives around it, but kind of sucks for us van lifers because that means no showers. No excuses. Getting them early morning stretches in. You can do them in a van, you can do them in your house. Get it done, be healthy. Van hair salon right now. This is how we do it. Van life out here doing it real big. So it's shower time. But besides that, Trevor just found a mouse in his van. Like those little tiny things to the left. Dude, he just scurried back there. Go is out. Building a little barrier to get this fucker out of here. I built it underneath the bed too. We've got this fucking mouse right in here. We've got him corralled. We're trying to get him out of here, but he's a fucking sneaky little bastard.
I want to just get... I'm gonna let this frisky little fella go right here.
Be free, mate.
Let's see if he'll exit out there.
Be free, mate. See you later.
There he goes. Back off into the wild.
Trevor's mouse fan.
Jesus Christ.
Man mouse, whatever
Crikey.
the fuck you want to call it, mate. Hello, I'm Joe Sharp, and this is my snowboarding clips.